Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. Welcome back. Class 12th Physical Education and Sports for Children with Special Need, CWSN, Children with Special Need, Divyang, who is challenge 1, who is having disability, disorder we can say. It is part 9, it is chapter 4, O+2 class. In previous part we completed the ODD, Oppositional Defiant Disorder, or now we will do OCD. Last disorder, we are doing the type of disorder, or in type of disability, physical disability, mental disability or intellectual disability, we completed OCD. Obsessive compulsive disorder. Here two things are there. Obsessive, obsession of thoughts, obsession of thoughts, or compulsive, compulsion of action. Means obsession of thoughts, here may be reason behind that stress, anxiety, डर, एक तरह से we can say any compulsions, any action individual do again and again. Okay, sometime what happen, cause of stress or anxiety, we are not clarify with any work, we can say any type of thought come again and again. Suppose what happen, suppose you go to home and you park your vehicle in your parking area, but after some time, maybe when you taking dinner, lunch, whatever it is, you think that you park your car on the road, but after some time what happen, automatically a thought come, no, you park your car in your parking area, but sometime what happen, cause of that thought you park your car on the road, you go and check, that thing occur again and again, you are always going to do check, it means you are not confident what you do, what you did in your past. It is an example only. Sometime what happen, we like nowadays COVID pandemic is going on, government organization, many celebrities, sports person, they are suggesting to the people that always you have to wash your hand. Okay, if without pandemic a individual doing this again and again washing the hands, it means the person having obsessive compulsive disorder, means he have a fear, means any type of anxiety, any type of stress, cause of that he washing his hand again and again, means he think something always on my hand, maybe cause of that I gone ill, I become ill, or I will suffer from any disease. These type of thoughts always rotate in our mind with particular thing. Okay, so it is obsessive compulsive disorder, if we can say obsessive compulsive disorder, obsession of thought, cause of stress or anxiety. Compulsion means compulsion, that action is compulsory, means again and again an individual showing the same action. Okay, like we can say park a car, I always go, come out and check, or we can say that washing hands again and again, it is cause of any anxiety. Or these type of disorder always increase worry or mental tension in life, cause of this disorder. In this type of disorder, two three things more are there, like always a person having a fear that cause of any mistake he feel fear, कहीं गलती ना हो जाए. Okay, or if that fear is there, it mean a confidence level become very low. Okay, fear of guilty means if गलती हो गई तो उसके बाद fear of guilty means always a person predict the future from his side. It is not happening in present. If we check, if we come in present time, what is in front of me? Nothing is there, but from inside he is where there something is happening wrong, or cause of that in present time he feel fear. That is the role of psychology, we can say. That is scattered mind, part of scattered mind, we can say. Okay, we have to control our emotion through meditation or yoga, or then we can remove these type of disorder. It is also a, we can say, treatment. Now symptoms. Symptoms of obsessive compulsive disorder. First one, worry about sanitation or clean hand again and again. Okay, clean, or we can say wash hand again and again. Both things can be happen. Okay, we can say over conscience about arranging things. Over conscience about arranging things means think deep, think more about the things are arranged or not, how to arrange. These type of thoughts take place in the mind of the individual. Okay, 3, repeat action. Repeat action like wash hand again and again, check, lock car park again and again. These type of also a example of obsessive compulsive disorder. Performing superstition action. Andhvishwas means any type of ritual cause of that fever a individual is performing, that is known as performing superstitions action. Counting things again and again. Okay, these are the symptoms of obsessive compulsion disorder. And what are the cause? cause. Till now, scientists not find a particular cause of obsessive compulsive disorder, because this disorder we found normally in, we can say, around us. Sometimes these type of activity occur with us also, maybe in our family, any family member doing the same, worrying. Okay, so scientists are believing that cause of genetics or environment. Family environment, society environment, cause of that a state of mind, we can say, become a individual state of mind become cause of bad environment, or genetics also a heredity is work cause of environment, that he believe that he have to check things again and again, he become like this, that something is there. So worrying situation, cause of stress or anxiety, these things happen. So for today, for this part, this much. We'll see you in the next video. Next video we will do the etiquettes of type of behavior, which type of behavior we have to show with the person who is having disability or disorder, or what are the impact of physical activity on the person who is having disorder or disability. That we will do in the further or next part. So तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते, take care of your health, thank you.